Welcome to dptutorials. In today's tutorial, let us learn how to use the VLOOKUP function with wildcards in Excel. For example, suppose you have a table of product names in column C and their corresponding prices in column D. If you want to find the price of a specific product, you would use VLOOKUP. Simple, right? Wildcards allow for partial matches, making your searches even more flexible. Let me show you how. In cell G5, let's try to find the price value based on the product name in the cell G4. Type the formula in G5 as equals to VLOOKUP, open the parenthesis, select G4 cell, comma, select the columns C and D as the array, comma, 2 which is the column number, comma, close the parenthesis. And type in G4 as smartwatch. In cell G5, you will get the result as 5999, which is exactly the same. If you type the partial text as watch in G4, you will be getting error in the cell G5 like this. So this is where wildcards come in handy. Go to cell G9, type the formula with the wildcard like this, equals to VLOOKUP, open the parenthesis, in the inverted quotes type asterisk, ampersand, select the cell G8, ampersand, again give wildcard in the inverted quotes, comma, select the array as column C and D, comma, 2, comma, close the parenthesis, and then type in cell G8 as just watch. You will notice that the cell G9 will show the value as 5999, which is exactly the right result. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.